ZW3D Cam Mouse Control. Getting to know ZW3D mouse actions in the Cam module. In the Cam Manager, double-click the geometry icon to hide or show the machining geometry. Double-click Operation icon to hide or show the related toolpath. Next, double-click on Geometry text to open a dialog. Double-click any operation name to open the parameters form. Double-click Output text to create the NC file. Then pick Operations and drag them into the NC file. Right-click any object to get the related Write menu. Right-click any object to get the related Write menu. In the working area, press and hold the Control key and middle button to zoom the model. Scroll the wheel forward to zoom in and back to zoom out. To pan the model, just press and hold the middle mouse button. Press and hold the right button if you want to rotate the model by any point. Left-click to pick entities one by one. Press the Shift key and left-click to do chain selection. Middle-click to accept the input. In the Cam module, main mouse actions are introduced here.